How to activate stars on Facebook. This tutorial shows you how to enable stars and start earning money from your content on your Android device. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device after that. Tap on your profile icon at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Dashboard to open your creator tools. Right here, tap on the Monetize tab at the top of the page. At this point, scroll through and tap on Stars to open the Stars section. Moving on, tap on Eligibility criteria to confirm you meet all the requirements. You need to be in a supported country, have at least 500 followers, and maintain those 500 followers for 3 consecutive days. Following this, once you've confirmed you're eligible, go back to the Stars page and tap on Activate Stars to get started. From here, you'll be walked through a brief setup process. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the activation. Once done, you may also be asked to set up a payout method, so Facebook knows where to send your earnings. Go ahead and fill in the required details. Finally, once everything is set up, stars will be active on your account, and your followers will be able to send you stars during your live videos and other content. And that's it. If this guide helped you activate stars on Facebook, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.